Right, good morning. First things first. Morning, Predator. How you doing, mate? You okay? Made that quite a few years ago. It's my little workshop mascot. But I put him there because he's a bit naughty at times. Right. And today, a couple of gate brackets for a customer. Nearly done now. All cleaned up nice. Just going to spray them in a bit. And then we've just got this little platform here. This is a plyometric platform for training on, jumping on and doing press ups on and things like that. Just got to put a piece of aluminium tread plate on top. That's what the customer asked for, so I've ordered that, just waiting for that to come. I'm just going to paint it shortly, and then that's 600 tall, that's a standard height that they like. So I'll get the piece when it comes on top, rivet it on, paint it up, and then that's a little job finished. So that'll be of interest to a few people what I've been doing this morning. So thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated with a few more things. Hopefully be getting back onto me garage doors soon. I'll just get all these little jobs out of the way first. My garage doors are for myself, so they're just filling between jobs. Thanks for watching. Hope it's of interest to somebody. Have a nice day. Sun's coming out. Oh yeah.